Everyone, welcome back, guys. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to actually reset your Doordash password. If you've forgotten it, guys, don't worry, it's a quick and easy process. So let's get started. First things first, guys, what you want to do is you want to open up the Doordash app or go to the Doordash website on your browser. And on the login screen, you just want to tap or click on Forgot Your Password. Okay? Below the password field. Just click on reset password or forgot your password. Okay. And then, guys, next you'll be asked to enter the email address that is associated with your DoorDash account. Make sure you type it in correctly and then just hit reset password. Then, guys, what you want to do is you want to check your email inbox for a password reset link for DoorDash. If you don't see it right away, guys, just check your spam or junk folder. And once you actually find the email, guys, you want to click on the reset link, which will take you to a secure page where you can basically set a new password. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to actually remember. And guys, after you enter your new password, you just want to confirm it and hit submit. Your password will now be updated and you can now log into your DoorDash account with the new credentials, guys. And that's it, guys. You have basically just successfully reset your DoorDash password. If this tutorial was helpful, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. And of course, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more quick guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.